Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to offer your customers recurring purchases and boost your store's steady revenue? In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of adding subscriptions to your Shopify store using a popular app called Appstol Subscriptions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a flexible subscription system that makes it super easy for your customers to subscribe to their favorite products. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Shopify admin page. Think of this as your store's command center, where all the magic happens behind the scenes. Once you're logged in, we're heading straight for the Apps section. This is where Shopify lets you supercharge your store with added features. In the search bar, type in Subscription. You'll see a few options, but today, we're working with Appstol Subscriptions. It's well supported and trusted by thousands of merchants. Go ahead and click on Appstol Subscriptions. Then click the Install button. Don't rush this part. Shopify will ask you for a few permissions, just to make sure everything's secure. Once the installation wraps up, you'll jump directly into the onboarding process. Now, if this is your first time using a subscription app, don't worry at all. Appstol's setup is designed to be beginner-friendly. You'll see an option that says, I'm new here and ready to set up. Just select that to let the app know you want the guided setup, and then click Start Setup Wizard. The wizard is like having a friendly guide walk you through each step, instead of leaving you lost in a maze of settings. Next up, you'll be prompted to add Appstol to your store's theme. Why does this matter? Because it makes sure your customers actually see the subscription option on the right parts of your website, the product page, and the cart. To do this, simply follow the prompt and hit Save. If your store's design is customized or you're using a special theme, don't sweat it. Appstol is pretty good at integrating smoothly, but always double-check if things look right later. After saving, let's head to the billing section. Here, Appstol invites you to select your billing plan. For most new stores, the free option is perfect for just getting started and testing things out. Pick free, and you'll be able to see how subscriptions work before committing to a paid plan. This is low risk, and you can always upgrade later if your subscriber base grows. Now, locate your active apps block within the Shopify admin. This is important because you'll want to mark Appstol as complete in this section. Doing this ensures that the app is recognized as fully set up and gets properly linked up to the product and cart pages. Don't skip this step. It's like giving the app permission to start working its magic where it matters. Let's take a moment to check how this looks on your live site. Go to Online Store, then click Customize. This tool lets you see your website almost exactly how your visitors do. Navigate to your product page and have a peek. The subscription options should now appear right beside your products and in the shopping cart when you add one. Try clicking around and see how seamless the process feels from your customer's point of view. And that's it. You've successfully added subscriptions to your Shopify store. Now your customers can sign up for recurring purchases in just a few clicks, and you can watch your store's revenue become more predictable month after month. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into issues. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more practical Shopify tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your business.